When you run a business, you have so many decisions to make and it can be exhausting. My members are constantly asking me how I manage to stick to a 20-hour work week. And the simple answer is eliminate, delegate, and automate. You want to eliminate the non-essentials from your list, then you can delegate what someone else can do better or faster, and automate what you can to cut costs and to save time. As I started to transition my business to a membership-first model, I began to realize that I was making my marketing way more complicated than it needed to be. I was keeping too much in my head, I was using too many apps to brainstorm and to manage my strategy, which really left me feeling like scattered and fractured in my thinking. And worst of all, without anything written down, there was absolutely no way to delegate or to get my team to help me. In a previous video, I introduced you to my new marketing management software called Enji, which is also linked in the description. And in this video, I want to answer some of the most common questions that I see about this new tool. Enji is also celebrating its first year, so they have updated my landing page to provide you with an even better deal if you want to give Enji a try. To start your free trial and get 35% off your first 12 months, visit lashondabrown.com/Enji. Thanks so much to the team at Enji for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's hop in. Can I manage multiple brands in Enji? You can manage multiple brands in Enji, but it was actually designed around the concept of one account for one business or brand. But they did understand that some small businesses will have multiple brands that support one business. So if you go to the brand asset library, you can actually handle multiple brands in there. And sometimes managing multiple businesses will work in one account if the goals and the customers are similar. So I hope that helps. How can I create a brand voice so that the AI copywriter sounds like me? You can create your brand voice in the brand guide. You can write it, you can copy sections from a brand voice that you already have, or you can actually use the AI to create that for you. Now, if you choose to use the AI copywriter will work from that moving forward. You can also add your voice details to your customer personas if you want to have that option of telling the AI copywriter to write for a specific persona. Are the marketing tasks within the strategy generated by AI? I think this is a really good question. What's really unique about Enji is the marketing tasks within the software were actually generated by Taylor and her team. Taylor spent months thinking about the questions in the questionnaire and really deciding what tasks would be helpful depending on what people would answer. So there's actually a huge logic tree in the back end of Enji that houses all the recommendations that she would make as a marketing consultant to a client. So it's not flawless, but it certainly is better than you leveraging ChatGPT or something similar, which will give you a more generic response. Can I use Enji to collaborate with my team? You can add team members, VAs, consultants, or whoever else is helping you with your Enji account to your back end. Adding team members is actually included in your monthly subscription. Does Enji offer any integrations? Currently, Enji integrates with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Pinterest for their social media scheduler. They're currently finishing up an integration with Google Analytics so that it will pull in your data and put it into your KPI dashboard, and up next will be your social media analytics. I hope this video helped to answer some of your questions about Enji, and if you have any more, feel free to put them in the comments. Don't forget, you can get 35% off your first 12 months through the end of May by using my link, lashondabrown.com/Enji. Until next time, ta-ta for now.